All the girls and women out there love to be on Indian traditional look, then Bengali sarees should be your choice in your wardrobe, right? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch videos. And if any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And I thank all the subscribers and the viewers who are watching my channel and giving their valuable feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you so much. This is Numaish Exhibition 2022. Purchased in Numaish Exhibition 2022 sale. That's on in Hyderabad. These are Bengali cotton sarees. It's top-notch quality sarees with perfect blend of royalty, class, and style. And they are indeed perfect Bengali handlooms, workmanship of proficient karigars and designers. And it has got different types of colors and patterns. I've purchased it for 500 rupees. Three saris. See how it looks. Does it look beautiful? Let me know your view in the comment section. You can go for dry cleaning and flawless in terms of quality, design, and softness. I would say because it is cotton fabric, it goes soft on your skin and makes you comfortable. It has got booty work all over the sari. You can wear it on any occasion. It has got 5.5 meters into 1.5 meters. That is L into B, length into breadth or width, I have to say. I've purchased two off-white saris and one parrot green sari. When you compare the prices in Amazon, they are 700 rupees. When I purchased this for Mama, I was so happy because these were budget deals with good quality. Happy shopping. Like, share, subscribe, Flying Skies One. Thanks for watching. And please do your feedback in the comment section. Keep smiling.